Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Dhiya Aqilah Binti Rohaizi. My magic number is F22B0072. Today I want to present about industry training in Aqilah Global. Introduction. Company name Aqilah Global. Date of establishment 22 March 2021. No 51 Jalan Harmony 20/KU3 Kampung Sungai Pinang 41050. The establishment of this organization aim to meet consumer demand for high quality and safe tempe product that compete with established halal standard. In the face of increasingly challenged industry competition, this organization is currently striving to improve operational efficiency and increase customer satisfaction in at optimal level. Mission statement: to produce high quality tempe that meet and access our customer expectation using the best sustainable raw material and environmentally friendly production process. To increase awareness and knowledge of the healthy benefit of tempe through consumer education and effective marketing. To control innovation in product development and product process to meet dynamic market need and improve industry standard. Next, to expand our distribution network locally and internationally, increase the accessibility of tempe to consumer in various parts of the world. Vision statement: Aqilah Global in become a global market leader in the production and distribution of tempe. We recognize of innovation, quality and community to sustainability will introduction tempe as a healthy and delicious food choice to consumer worldwide. Objective statement: Aqilah Global main objective is to increase that each product produced meet the set quality standard, increase production productivity and main customer trust in the company brand. The organization future defines the goal to complete with halal certification requirement such as cleaning of premise, handling of raw material and complete to standard operation procedure SOP precisely. And the goal are to grow the market, risk company reverse and establish a good image in food business. Organization background: established on 22 March 2021 by Rohaizi Binti and legally registered under 003251769A. Operation in the food processing industry, especially in the production of soybean-based fermentation product tempe. Begin as a small-scale business supplying product to morning market and wholesale market with extremely quality, cleaning and customer satisfaction. Due to increased demand, the company expert its market to supermarket in Selangor includes Roshaman, Airconcept, Super 7 and Matahari. In 2024, the company applied of halal certification to straight consumer confidence, includes complete with halal requirement and achieve its competitiveness in the food industry. Aqilah Global Organization Chart. Chief Executive Officer CEO is Rohaizi Binti. Lead the company, determines business director and make strategic decision. Human Resources Operation Manager and Halal Supervisor is Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Shafi'i. Manage Employer, oversee daily operation and includes complete with halal requirement. Admin and account is Nur Syafiqah binti Sumardi. Responsibility for financial management, company record and administration method. Logistic Department is Mukri Hadif bin Zulkarni. Manage product delivery, inventory storage and timely description to customer. For Operation Department, Head of Operation is Abdul Adim, Supervisor the production process. Processing staff is Ahmad Sultono Daki, handling raw material preparation and product packaging. Product and service. Product: produce fresh tempe made from fermented soybean through a controlled fermentation process. Tempe has a good taste, quality test, and is established for variation dishes such as fried tempe, sambal tempe, and traditional cuisine. Use high quality raw material and follow established standard operation procedure SOP to increase food safety and hygiene. Apply for halal certification in 2024 to strengthen customer confidence and increase halal completion. For service, provided description and logistic service to increase product are delivering fresh in good condition and on time. Supply product to morning market, wholesale market, supermarket, restaurant and eateries. Offer customer service support by process order, careful and meeting customer requirement. Maintain good relationship with retail and restaurant operation to increase customer trust and loyalty. Daily activity, halal assurance and food safety. Monitor worker personal hygiene and PPE compliance. Assist in halal certification renewal. My e-halal update, internal audit and NCR correction action. Production and quality control. Weight tempeh batch and record production date. Expected product before packaging and monitor delivery documentation. Documentation management. Organize product record, invoice shipping, history and supporting document. Complete and storage completed checklist systematic. Factory improve and complete. Monitor pest control activity and raw material inventory. Participated in cleaning, facility repair, storage organization and preparation for halal audit. RINI, produce relate to permits and visa for foreigner worker. Research and development. Objective to evaluate the effect of different storage method on tempeh quality and determine the most suitable method for production. Method 1, chiller storage. Fermentation and packing tempeh storage in a chiller for 2 days before being returned to room temperature. Low temperature slow down the growth of rhizospor fungi. Oxidation, water flow accumulate inside packaging. Enable that thinner fungal grow white pressure former on the tempeh surface. Softer texture and weakening beading between soybean. Next, method 2, direct fermentation at room temperature. Fermentation soybean kit containers at room temperature. Observation, more active and uniform fungal growth. Disease and complete white mycelium fermentation tester and strong soybean beading. Dose, document and safety completes. Objective to prepare dough-related document and evaluate the factory complete with operational safety and healthy requirement. Activity perform still dough audit requirement through online resources. Develop and dough complete checklist conducted and internal monitoring audit around the factory. Next, finding for factory audit, expired good leaf inquiry certification, turn-selling and improved stock increase machine, lack of safety, selection, emergency roll, danger zone, emergency door, flow making. Cleaning chemical did not have a safety date sheet, SDS, fire executives were monitoring monthly and in good condition. Emergency light we available but not complete emergency alarm system was installed. Those documents prepare hazard and identification, risk access and risk control, hazard, safety and healthy community appointment letter, meeting minute and injury record, emergency resources plan ERP, SOP and PPE equipment, training, maintenance and incident management record. Halal renew application. Objective to manage and increase the renew of company halal certification before it expires in August. Maintenance continue halal certification complete without interpretation. Preparation and internal audit starting renew process in early May 2026. Minimum 3 months before expired. Conduct internal audit and CR check before official audit. Preparing and varied required document, SSM and PBT lesson. Halal certification for raw material, type of injection record, food handling and halal awareness, training certification. Includes new staff complete training and medical equipment, update expired halal certification for supplier. My e-halal application process submit renew on 30 May 2026. View my e-halal system. Update company detail and raw material information. Complete document submission and payment for review process. Handling feedback on incomplete raw material halal detail, like Indonesia supplier issue. It's not halal certification, informal and date. Next, audit and follow-up. Coordinated factory halal audit visited by authority, preparing document and access during inspection. Receive mirror NCR finding and complete correction action by deadline 50 June 2026. Monitoring system status and receiver technical issue with authority. Outcome, renew application fully approved, new halal certification valid 16 August 2026 to 15 August 2028. Development scheme in halal certification management community with authority, problem solver, and time management, document and audit preparation. In conclusion, overall, throughout the 60 week, industry training period, I gained valuable practice experience in operation management, food safety, and complete with industry standard. This training allowed me to apply theoretical knowledge for university in a real industry environment through various tasks as a comparative standard on tempeh fermentation method, preparation of those document, management of halal certification renewal, and involvement in daily factory operation. I also developed skill in monitoring production quality, increase SOP and PPE, comparison handling document such as invoice and delivery record, and maintaining systematic filing for audit purpose. In addition, this experience achieved my time management, communication, teamwork, and attention to detail, with strengthening my understanding of the importance for discipline, accuracy, and proper documentation in ensuring smooth operation and regularly complete with the food industry. My suggestion for faculty industry training program includes pre-internship preparation, organize comprehensive workshop before industry training, cover topics such as documentation and logbook preparation, workplace communication in use of industry-related system, example, my halal problem-solving skill in the workplace, invite senior students to share their industry training experience. Next is through monitoring and support. Conduct periodic online meeting between coordinator and student. Discuss training progress, challenge, and industry assignment. Provide detailing guideline, report template and sample final report. Offer continued support to increase student grade, meaningful learning experience, and a better preparation for future career. Vision statement, Kalisa Global in become a global market leader in the production and distribution of tempeh. We recognize of innovation, quality, and committed to sustainability will introduction tempeh as a healthy and delicious food choice to consumer worldwide. Objective statement, Kalisa Global main objective is to increase that each product produced meet the set quality standard, increase production productivity, and main customer trust in the company brand. The organization future defines the goal to complete with halal certification requirement such as cleaning of premise, handling of raw material, and complete to standard operation procedure SOP precisely. And the goal are to grow the market, risk company reverse, and establish a good image in food business. Suggestion for myself: be more productive in improvement project, identify problem with the organization and propose proactive solution. Develop improvement initiative such as cleaning monitoring schedule and cooking batch systematic inventory document, remind on halal practice and food safety, achieve problem solving, critical thinking, and alternative taking ability, improve communication and self-confidence, straight that communication skill with drill with audit official, supplier, and customer. Participate more actively in discussion audit and internal communication. Build self-confidence and interpersonal skill to better prepare for a professional working environment. That's all from me for this presentation video. I would like to say 1,000 thanks to everyone who watched and followed my explanation until the end. I also appreciate all the knowledge, experience, and opportunity that have been given throughout this process. Hopefully, this presentation can provide some benefit and understanding to everyone. Thank you.